This video shows you how to properly wear an N95 respirator. An N95 respirator, also called an N95 filtering facepiece, is designed to filter at least 95% of airborne particles measuring 0.3 microns or larger. N95 respirators are certified by NIOSH, the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. An N95 will be marked N95 and NIOSH. This is an ordinary nuisance dust mask, such as you might wear when cutting wood. It is not an N95 respirator. This is also a nuisance dust mask, not an N95 respirator. A surgical mask is also not an N95 respirator. The N95 respirator consists of three basic parts: the filter, the nose clip, and the upper and lower straps. The upper strap is the one located closer to the nose clip. Note that some styles of N95 also have an exhalation valve. Your N95 may or may not have one. Its purpose is simply to make it a bit easier to exhale through the respirator. An exhalation valve is not required on an N95. In order to properly wear an N95, you cannot have any facial hair that interferes with the seal between the respirator and your face. Otherwise, when you inhale, the air will go around the respirator instead of through it. Therefore, the area around your face where the respirator makes contact with your skin must be clean shaven. The act of putting on a respirator is called donning. To properly don an N95, first place the lower strap around your neck. Next, place the upper strap on the crown of your head. The crown is the highest point on your scalp between the top and the back of your head. Adjust the respirator so that it covers your nose and mouth. Next, using both hands, bend the nose clip so that it forms around your nose. If you do not form the clip around your nose, then when you inhale, the air will simply flow through the gap between the clip and your face, instead of through the filter. If you have properly donned the respirator, you should feel the respirator pulling slightly toward your face when you inhale. To remove the respirator, grasp the top strap with both hands and pull it forward over your head. Next, grasp the lower strap with both hands and pull it over your head. If you need to temporarily store the respirator for later reuse, then place it in a paper bag in order to keep it clean. A paper bag allows any moisture that may be on the respirator to evaporate. You may use a plastic bag as long as the respirator is completely dry. If the respirator becomes soiled or damaged, replace it.